Hey guys, William Murphy here, and in today's episode we're going to be putting the engine back into my classic Mini. So I've got the engine hoist ready. It's hooked up to the block. All I've got to do is lift it up and put it in place. How hard can it be? I've hit a glitch already. The car is too far back in the garage to be able to lift the jack up without it hitting the garage door or any of the supports of the garage door. So I'm going to have to take the car off the axle stands, lower it down onto something a lot lower, and then try again. Fingers crossed. I've lowered the car down onto some tyres with some foam across the top to stop the car hitting on the rim of the wheel, and we'll try again. Bring in and see what I'm doing. So the engine is in, and the mount, I put the bottom mount in this side anyway, so I'm just doing the 2 bolts that go through the edge of the gearbox, which is at the tip of my finger. I've got one mount on this side, well, both bolts are through. Just going to jack the car back up so I can get access to the underneath to put the nut on. I'm just trying to do it up so I can get everything back together. Right, okay, there we have it. The engine is in, it's secure. It's on a 2 engine mounts this side, it's on a 2 engine mounts that side, and I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to come back out tomorrow morning and hopefully get the exhaust fitted and get a few other bits and pieces done. The gear linkage has got to go back on, and just build everything back up. But I am absolutely buzzing, it looks fantastic, and I can't wait to get it started. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it from me, and I'll see you later.